Aloha guys, so you want to buy Bitcoin, be a person of technology and become mega rich? Well, in this video I will show you how to buy it fast, safely and easily. Let's go! So first of all, what is Bitcoin?
What are you talking about?
If you were living under the rock for some time, it's okay. We just need to pull you out of there, wash you.
You're watching Stevie Jacko,
Clean the mold out of your ears. And we can put you back to speed.
Gotta go fast.
Bitcoin in a nutshell is decentralized global money.
Traditional finance and decentralized finance. What you need to know. What is traditional finance? It's what we're used to, like banks and other financial institutions that act like the middleman. There's you, the middleman like your bank, some form of payment channel like Visa or MasterCard, the recipient's bank, and the recipient. Now what's decentralized finance? It essentially accomplishes the same purpose as traditional finance but without the financial institution. There's you and the recipient. No middleman.
So, decentralized global money. In human words, that translates to currency which government can't make, manipulate or destroy. Not like paper money, fiat, which is backed by promise and belief, which government can manipulate in all the ways. All these recessions, price fluctuations are made by government, and the public have no control over it. And that's where Bitcoin comes in. So essentially, Bitcoin is a form of protest against banking system, created by a man named Satoshi, who was fed up with this flawed system.
That they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!
And created Bitcoin as a substitute for paper money, fiat. Okay, so now you say,
screw the banking system. I want to be in control of my money.
you came to the right place. If you get in a Bitcoin now, you might make some insane gains on your money. And of course, don't hold me accountable for any of this. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet who just made some money on it, that's all. When that's out of the way, I live in UK, so I'm aware that some of the countries might not be able to use this method. So keep this in mind. For starters, you need to open an account with brokerage app. Most popular are Binance and Coinbase. For example, I use Binance to buy my Bitcoin and Coinbase to sell it. Both links are in description. And also I recommend opening savings account with Blockfi, which gives you insane, unseen 6% interest rate on Bitcoin. And they pay it out monthly.
Oh, wait a second, mind blown.
You will never see anything like that in any bank. If you use the link in my description, you will get $250 worth of Bitcoin, depending on how much Bitcoin you deposit. It works perfectly because you want to buy and hold for at least 1 year. Don't sell, just hold. I know you will want to sell it so bad when you'll see that money coming in. Just hold. Wait until you can buy anything with Bitcoin. So, if you want to buy Bitcoin, go to the description down below and press on the Binance link to get lifelong 5% off of the trading fees and also chance to win 5 BUSD, which is equivalent to $5. Then put your email address, your password, press create an account, do this puzzle. They're going to send you an account verification, 6-digit code. Go to your email, just copy and paste it, and that's it. You have your account. You can press deposit to start. But first of all, you need to identify yourself. Also, you can set up Google verification, which is quite important. Press on identify verification and verify. Then you're gonna get sent to the basic info page. You have to press on personal details and verify. After that, you need to verify your address. You'll need to wait until they verify your ID. It will take around a couple of days. And then you can buy as much Bitcoin as your heart desires. So when your account is verified, go into buy crypto, bank deposit, faster payments, then enter the amount you want to deposit. Let's say £5,000. You press continue. If you want to deposit through this option, you have to be an account holder. Then you go to your bank, set up a new transfer, and add all these bank details. Then press send, and you will see the money in your account in around 5 to 20 minutes. After you added the money to your account, go to buy crypto, cash balance, then go to buy crypto and add the amount of money you want to invest. So let's say 5,000. You're going to have cash balance in here, the money which you just added. So let's say 5,000. We choose what coin we want. We can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's say this time we go for Bitcoin. It shows you in here how much Bitcoin you can buy, and they're going to use this cash balance money which you added to your account. Press buy Bitcoin. You need to complete identify verification in order to deposit fiat currency. So you need to verify yourself first before you proceed. But that's how you do it. And after that, welcome to Bitcoin Holders Club. All I can hope for you that you hold as long as possible so you can have the maximum amount of returns. So, to open an account with Blockfi, go to the description, press on the Blockfi link. By using that link, you will get free $20 worth of Bitcoin. Then, press get started, fill in requested information, then submit it. Blockfi will send you an email for verification. Just press the click here link on the email. After, press back to login. Log in with your newly created account. Choose what type of account you want. In this video, I'm going to cover just individual type. So select that. Fill in required info for your location, also your address, your phone number, your date of birth, your source of funds, basically where is your money coming from. After all of this, you will need to complete identity verification. After you've done that, go to your account. Press on deposit, choose Bitcoin as a currency, and you will see your wallet for that particular currency within Blockfi. In this case, Bitcoin wallet. All these numbers and letters in the bottom is an address to your wallet. Pressing the blue copy icon, you copy your wallet's address. Then we go back to Binance. Press on wallet and overview. This will show you your whole wallet. So what you want to do is transfer the Bitcoin from here to your Blockfi account, which is like high interest bank with 6% monthly payout. Press on withdraw, select crypto, paste the wallet address which you copied earlier. Always double check the address. Otherwise, your Bitcoin will end up in space, where Elon Musk will find it one day. Select Bitcoin, BTC, transfer network. They will take a small transaction fee. This is how they feed their kids. So, put in the amount of Bitcoin which you want to store in your Blockfi bank to enjoy that sweet 6% interest. Press submit and you are done. That Bitcoin should be visible in your Blockfi account within 10 to 20 minutes. To sell your Bitcoin, I found that Coinbase is the easiest platform to do so. So, to create an account with them, go to the description and hit the Coinbase link to receive free $10 worth of Bitcoin after you deposit $100 to Coinbase. Enter the required information and press create account. Acknowledge their privacy policy. If you don't want your email to get spammed, choose no. And as on every platform, you will be sent a verification email for your safety. By now, you should know how to verify it. But if it's still unclear, go to your email, find the freshly sent email from Coinbase, and press the link inside, which then will take you back to Coinbase, where they will ask more of your information. Just fill everything in and verify your phone number by entering the numbers they send to your phone by text. Select your citizenship, and then, like always, you need to verify your identity. Complete it by entering all the relevant information and press continue. Answer some more questions and submit one of your identity documents. After you finish verifying your account, which probably will take you a day or two, you are free to sell your Bitcoins. All you need to do is transfer your Bitcoin to Coinbase account. Press on Send Receive. Press Receive. Press Skip for now to pay less for transfer fees. There you will see your wallet address within Coinbase and choose an appropriate asset. In this case, we are going to transfer Bitcoin. Copy the wallet's address by pressing the copy icon. Then go to Blockfi, press withdraw, choose currency, in this case Bitcoin, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, which is going to be the amount you are planning to sell, and paste the wallet address on the bottom. I have mine already set up, so I can send it with a click of a button. I will show you in the next video how to do it as well. Press review withdrawal. Here you can see the wallet address and press confirm. I don't want to transfer anything cause my strategy is to hold for a long time. So I want to keep every piece of Bitcoin I have. After the transfer is done, which should take around 5 to 10 minutes, go back to Coinbase, press on buy sell, choose sell, add the amount you want to sell, and press sell Bitcoin. After the transaction is completed and you receive your fiat, you can withdraw the funds to your bank account, which will take a day or two, or you can use PayPal, which will transfer your money instantly. First of all, go to your account settings. Choose Payment Methods tab. Press on Add a Payment Method. Choose an option which suits you. I will add my PayPal, because I never used it. Agree with privacy statement. Verify your phone by typing in the digits Coinbase sent you. And press Verify. So now you have a place where you can withdraw your fiat to. Now select Portfolio, select the asset you want to transfer to your bank. In this case, it's going to be US dollar, but it can be any other currency. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and press Continue. You can add or select withdrawal destination, but in this video, we're going to withdraw it to a bank account. Press Continue and withdraw now. And that's it. Your money will reach your bank in a couple of days. And now just sit down, relax, and watch your money grow. If its price falls little or a lot, always remember that it will bounce back and even surpass it. In the time of making this video, Bitcoin reached $50,000. But everyone thinks it has a potential of going to 1 million. So just imagine if you invested now and waited 3 to 10 years. I personally think the peak will be after 5 years. But always remember, this is all very speculative, and I would not recommend investing any more than 1% of your portfolio. It's always recommended to diversify your investments, which means invest in more than just one place. In this scenario, if one source of investment fails, you have others to rely on. So by just investing a little bit into Bitcoin now might make you some serious gains in the future. Or not, and you can lose everything you have. Okay, maybe the price will drop down, but you will not lose your money. It's going to have some sort of value, at least for 10 years. And again, disclaimer, I don't recommend investing any money you can't afford to lose, because anything can happen. So just invest money you can invest and won't need that money for a long time, at least for a year. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Thanks for watching the video. Smash that like button until it goes blue, so more people could see this. Have a nice life in crypto.